Welcome to Attorney Speaks, and today I'm going to talk on a very interesting topic. Let's talk about artificial intelligence and how is it going to replace, most of the jobs by 2027. So, what is artificial intelligence? I don't have to discuss about that. You already know. I think by this time, you people might have learned preliminary artificial intelligence automation tools also. So, how is it going to be affecting the job industry in the coming years? So let's discuss about this, in fragments. Let's discuss how it is going to affect the job scenario in 1 to 2 years from now. Starting level programming or something like entry level design or customizations or customer supports. All these level jobs are actually going to be replaced by artificial intelligence in the coming 1 to 2 year. So by the second year, most of the jobs that basically required the entry level expertise or whatever you call it, right? Those are completely going to be taken over by artificial intelligence, right? So companies are going to definitely reap profits because this will cut down the workforce and eventually bring AI automation in place, which is going to be far more productive for the companies and the startups in the longer run. Now, let's talk about what is going to happen by, say 5 years from now. So, 5 years from now is going to be even interesting because let me tell you, the core industrial setup is going to be the same. It's not going to change by artificial intelligence, but the expertise is going to change. So most of the people who adapt or are adept at artificial intelligence tools and automation are going to take over in the next 5 years. So somebody who has zero or absolutely no knowledge of artificial intelligence is not going to hold place in the coming time, probably 5 years from now. So let's discuss what companies are going to look like by the end of 5 years, right? So most of the companies will cut short the staff, and smaller teams are going to run the big businesses, startups effectively. And more automation will be based on artificial intelligence, and more expertise will be paid on artificial intelligence. And there is no absolute doubt about that. What is not going to change is the basic infrastructural, setup, and also the core expertise. For example, consultants, doctors, legal professionals, they're going to do their jobs, with the artificial AI automation tools. So their add-on responsibility is to learn AI, and probably everybody has started doing that, in the day and age. And let me talk about what values are going to change, when it comes to workplace. So more and more people will be inclined to use effective artificial AI automation tools at the workplace. And at the same time, jobs which require strategy, or jobs which require consultancy, jobs which require structural identities are going to be intact. They will never be replaced by the artificial intelligence automation, but the AI tools will be employed to extract consultancy work or strategy work in a more effective manner. For example, legal documents are nowadays prepared by any AI automation tool, but at the end of the day it is checked and reviewed by a lawyer. So that means the trust factor is never going to be replaced by artificial intelligence, and the truth connect is never going to be replaced by artificial intelligence in 5 years from now. So let's about the data, like World Economic Forum states that around 80 million jobs are going to go obsolete, worldwide, and around 60 odd million jobs will be created with the help of AI. So that's an interesting data, isn't it? And let's talk about consulting companies like McKinsey. They have also admitted that they're using AI automation heavily, for certain job roles. But yes, consultancy is here going to stay, and probably it will use more AI tools. Now let's discuss about a data which is based on the study by IBM, and it states that around 40% of the global workforce, they are going to reskill themselves based on the AI automation. So you probably will see more and more people adapting to different tools, to different like processes using artificial intelligence. So this is an interesting data, And also, I was reading somewhere, I think it was probably by, it's a research by, I think, Goldman Sachs, if I'm not mistaken. So, Goldman Sachs spoke about, so I think, if I can recollect, around total worldwide 300 million. So 300 million jobs will be affected by artificial intelligence, and these jobs will be completely full-time jobs. So these 300 million jobs will be impacted by artificial intelligence automation worldwide, and they will be made more effective with the help of AI tools. So these are some of the general studies, and they tell us what is going to happen by 2027, and you can clearly estimate. So if interestingly, to put it out, AI is not going to replace your job, but somebody who knows AI can replace your job effectively, and that is going to happen. That is bound to happen. Now let's discuss about a lot of comparisons of artificial intelligence, just like .com. So similarly, as .com bubble busted in the 1990s, and a lot of companies which were based on .com, they faced shutdowns. But even at the end of the day, we were introduced to the internet, and we are using it today, till today. So similarly, all the hype around AI, artificial intelligence, automation, and tools, it's going to be busted, sooner or later, just like the .com bubble. But artificial intelligence as a technology is going to stay, and nobody can debate that. That is just going to stay. So this is, a general chit chat about how, you may land up losing your job if you're not, you know, equipped with artificial intelligence and automation. And I just wanted to talk about this because this is, a burning topic. A lot of people wanted me to talk on it based on my technology and legal background. It's interesting to see what trends are going to be there by 2027, what is going to happen, how we will, change ourselves. But just on the ending note, it is very important to understand that the basic infrastructural industrial jobs are going to stay, but everything is going to be automated by AI. So if you're not aware of AI, or if you have not still started, adapting yourself with AI automation, start doing it right now. Thank you very much, and stay tuned to Attorney Speaks for more technical updates and for podcasts and for interesting updates. Stay tuned to Attorney Speaks. Thank you.